You know, year end is just around the corner, and a lot of people choose this time of year to focus on their financial priorities.
And Valerie and Justin from Hooper Law Office are here to discuss year-end planning tips for retirees. Now, I'm not retiring, but I'd like to someday. As the year wraps up, what type of questions do you commonly get this time of year?
One topic that is on a lot of people's mind are something that's called required minimum distributions, or RMDs. So if you have a retirement account such as an IRA, 401k, 403b, you have to, and you are of the age of 70 and a half or older, you have to withdraw a required amount from that account every year. And if you don't, failure to do so can result in a 50% penalty of the amount that you were supposed to withdraw. So you want to make sure that you're ready to do that, and we suggest that you talk to your financial advisor to have a plan for these distributions.
Okay, so Justin, what do people do then if they don't need the RMD to live off of, but they want to take it out anyway?
If people are charitably inclined, we recommend that people do what's known as a qualified charitable distribution. This is something that you take out in lieu of the RMD and you give directly to the charity. It has to be directly to the charity because if it goes through any sort of other account, it doesn't qualify. You can do this for up to $100,000 a year. So, yeah.
Oh, hey, any other suggestions? If you don't want to do that.
Frank is mesmerized. He's
yes,
ready.
I am.
He's ready to retire.
You know, our other suggestions too, especially if people are in long-term care facilities, if it's something like they can't quite afford a level of care or they want to pay for a private room, you can use those distributions for that as well. Long-term care is actually fully deductible against your income. So, you know, people who are in a long-term care facility can deduct that and lower their income tax, which will then actually lower the tax that will be applied to that required minimum distribution as well.
Okay. Well, Valerie, you did mention your financial advisor earlier. Should we come and see you first, or then, you know, what's the first step?
There's always options. Coming to see us, some of these things can be specific to you. So coming and talking to us, you can call 920-993-0990 and request a consultation with one of our attorneys.